So,
So,
Just-
so if we're gonna maintain the integrity of what we're proceeding to vote on sooner rather than later, then we're gonna have to learn to say no.
Well, we don't have to because the map's gonna say it for us.
Right.
Once we have gotten the water line in, like Wadsworth, for example. The reason we did that was people needed water and they had no choice.
Right.
No wells, no water, they've got houses.
Right.
That doesn't mean we're saying now, developers, go develop that. It's not what we're saying. The map says no major development there. Don't come ask. Go look for where we have said development should go. And the map should represent that, and hopefully our water and sewer lines will support where the development should be pointed at.
And we doing that.
Yeah.
But, so what I heard you say was we still had the opportunity, if they came to us and asked for, be able to do something in RA, we would still have the ability to vote on that, or not?
Well, anyone has the right to come in and ask for rezoning in those areas. You know,
Yeah,
but
so all I'm saying is when they come and ask, we're gonna have to say no,
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
if we wanna maintain the integrity of what we're doing.
Exactly, unless there is a special circumstance,
Right.
like a Wadsworth and needing water, or, you never know what the future's gonna bring. At least this will let the developers know where they can develop, it takes that out of play, plus it knows where we need to develop our water and sewer lines, so that they marry up. So now you've got everything in place, it's all located around a public service, our schools, our hospital, our roads that can maintain these things. If and that's what this committee that we put together over a year ago was supposed to marry up, and what I hear have done an excellent job.
Yeah.
And they've come to pretty much a general agreement. And so now it's just a matter of putting these three pieces together and then getting Brian to say, all right, where do we need to put water? And where we don't have, that would support these two maps.